My name is Gary Cannon. I'll be presenting about torque. What is torque? Torque is a measure of rotational force applied to an object. It determines how much a force acting on an object causes it to rotate around an axis. We can think of torque as rational equivalent to a linear force. Torque is calculated by the formula T equals R times F times sine. T is equal to the torque, R is the distance from the axis of rotation to the point where the force is applied, lever arm, F is the magnitude of the force, sine is the angle between the force vector and the lever arm. We're going to be illustrating a bicycle rim. If you're holding a bicycle rim and you're trying to twist or spin it, you're applying torque. If your rim resists because of rotational inertia. This simple setup is a great way to feel torque without needing a whole bike.